So I am headed to the garage today. It's Thursday, and I'm going to check out the Golf. We're going to work on that a little bit. Yesterday, me and Felix installed aftermarket fuel pressure regulator, and I adjusted it to 3 bar, which is the standard pressure. So yeah, why don't you guys take a look at that, and I'll head to the garage in the meantime, and I'll meet you there. Good. We filmed some stuff the other day. I got a fuel pressure regulator for the car, but turns out you need to have the right fittings for it too. So yeah, I got some new fittings here. It's AN10 to what's it called? Hose coupling. So we're going to see if we can both mount the fuel pressure regulator as well as plug it in. Here we go, Felix.
To do adjusting the adjustable wrench though.
Do the adjusting though. Det är ju en polygrip.
Yeah, and this is called a polygrip or a polygrip because poly means many and you can grip many things.
Whatever you want.
Whatever you want that can fit in the size of these jaws. These nuts.
Damn.
Got them.
God damn.
I'm backing up. I don't want the recoil to hit me.
Jesus Christ. Do I need to have it mounted like an upside, like this? Or can I have it mounted upside down?
I don't know, man. A liquid is a liquid. Yesterday I was moving a hose at work, and I got about 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter splinter straight into my thumb. It barely hurt going in. It hurt a damn lot going out. If you get shot in the kneecap, probably hurts more than getting a splinter. but if you fall and then you bust your knee on some asphalt, it hurts less than getting a splinter in your thumb or getting a paper cut. Is that aluminum or aluminium?
Aluminium?
Aluminium.
Alright, we got an O-ring there now. Noise.
Oh.
O-ring.
O-ring. Maybe it won't leak.
I hope not.
So the plant fabrication by anything, but we will just cut it so it's just a pass through. It doesn't really do anything. Down that it has any. It's just a spring. There's a gravity fed or anything.
Damn!
It looks good. Almost like it's meant to be.
Definitely not.
Motherfucker doesn't even know which way to mount his fuel pressure regulator. Rookie move.
Rookie move.
Rookie mistake. Well,
Because it gets stuck.
people don't know. We run. Linus is running E85, which is 85% ethanol, which is alcohol.
More power, baby.
More power, baby. Which basically it's you can't really say it like that, but it's like basically a higher octane fuel.
Yeah.
You can run more boost without knocking. More
It's
boost.
safer for the engine overall.
Yeah, and safer for the environment.
Yeah.
It runs cooler, it's a little bit better if your car runs hot, but there are some drawbacks like diesel cars or cars that aren't meant for it. The O-rings and all the plastic, like old fuel hoses, they can dry out because it's 85% alcohol.
The fuel systems aren't used or built to handle E85 usually.
No. If it isn't a Saab, that is.
Or, yeah, flex fuel or something.
Common Saab W.
So me and Felix are going on a mission now. We have to pause the what's it called? Mission to install a fuel pressure regulator. We're going to be taxi instead. Speaking of taxis, we have a taxi company right beside us in the garage. Damn.
They do be sitting and smoking though.
Do be sitting
Working
and smoking.
hard or hardly working.
Yeah, something like that. So we're going to. Shh, I'm filming.
Sorry.
We're going to take a look at his dad's new car, which he says is pretty cool.
Pretty whack.
For an American car?
It's an American car. My dad has never owned an American car before. But
Really?
even if this car is American, it doesn't feel very American.
No, it's kind of odd actually.
Yeah. It has a lot of non-American engineers that work on it, but
True,
like most-
true.
Well,
So yeah. So. God damn.
I like how much the table moved. Well, you're getting...
It's not aluminum.
it's stainless steel. Why is it stainless steel?
I don't know, dude.
Ching! Why is it stainless steel? What the fuck? You're just shoving it around, you're not even drilling.
No. Well, that sucks.
Push harder.
Push harder, drill slower. Why?
Look at this, look at this. They do be producing hella smoke though. Look at this. Yeah. Give me some of that juice.
Give me the juice.
Hand me the juice. Damn.
Det var typ ett nytt boll alltså. Det är det som är det värsta. God damn!
Se.
Best things to bend with.
Shift knuckles.
Shift knuckles. Perfect. Damn. Dude! Mint. Now we just need a screw.
Look at him go. Quirked up white boy with a little bit of swag busts it down sexual style. Is he goated with the sauce? Show me the candy.
M6 with the integrated washer.
What the fuck? Give me the fucking
with Nordlock.
goofy ass man. Don't listen to him. Damn, you can really pull hose.
God damn. How can it leak and you can't get the freaking hose off?
Because it's E85, it's not oil.
surgical precision, bruh.
Nope.
Alright, so we're going to mount it there.
Almost like it's meant to be.
Almost.
Clearly not.
So now I should not have any issues on idle with the fuel pressure being over 6 bar.
He said right before disaster.
Very good, except for the leak, but...
Leaked?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh man! They put some asphalt in here. Sweet! Awesome! Okay, so now we are in the garage, and the plan is to make sure there are no leaks in the fuel system, now that we added some hoses and stuff, as well as I'm going to take the car outside to check the values of the fuel table in the ECU master, because I had an issue, I think I said that before, when we tuned the car at PSI. The old regulator got stuck, so I had like 6 bars of fuel pressure, which is not optimal when you're supposed to be at 3. So I changed the old one time, and it stuck again. So I got a brand new one and it got stuck again. And my guess is that's because of the E85. It's not built to handle the E85, so it gets stuck inside. So that's why I've got an aftermarket fuel pressure regulator. Now that we got that stable fuel pressure, I can go outside with the car, and I'm just going to check over the VE tables and stuff, make sure we got the proper values at the idle and all that stuff. Let's go. Alright, so I got the car out. Damn, it's difficult. There we go. Car is outside right now, and we did have a small leak on the fuel pressure regulator. I just needed to tighten it up a little bit, so now it seems fully sealed, so I'm gonna pop you guys into the car. Okay, so we are now in the car, we are idling. It's well, pretty much up to temp now, which is nice. And as I said, we're going to check the VE tables and look to see if we have the right fuel mixture now, at idle especially. At higher revs, the car could handle itself a little bit better before, so it's properly tuned in boost. So yeah, we're going to check idle, and I got my laptop right here. So I'm just I'm no pro by any means when it comes to VE tables and tuning and stuff like that. I know the basics and the like the theory behind it, but I can't actually tune that well. Shout out to Driving for Answers. He has like the best tutorials on everything regarding your car. So I'll leave a link down below if you want to learn more stuff like about cars in general. He's one of the best, in my opinion. So yeah, let's see what we can find here. So if we go to fuel, you can see here we are idling right down here, or maybe you can't see. We are down here somewhere idling. I'm going to see if there's anything I need to do. I am back in the garage. I took a little bit of a drive, but it's raining a lot, so couldn't drive too fast. I always drive legally. But anyways, it seems to work fine. The fuel tables look amazing. Everything feels good, nothing is leaking, so I'd say that's a successful install. I also had help with Hugo in the background, holding the PC and stuff like that. So yeah, I haven't been driving the car for I don't know how many months now, like 2 months it feels like, at least, if not 3 even. And yeah, it's pretty fast. And we're only at 1.2 bar, and I'm supposed to be at 1.8, so I'm missing like, I don't know, 50 horsepower maybe? Even more maybe, I don't know. Yep, so that will be it for this video. If you're wondering anything, leave a comment. If you like the video, leave a like. If you don't like, leave a dislike. And subscribe if you want to see more. The date for registration on the Golf is the 13th, so that's 13 days, 2 Wednesdays from now. So when that's done, we can finally have some proper videos on the Golf again, which is going to be awesome. I've been waiting 2 years for this now, so yeah. I hope you guys are as hyped as I am. I'm super excited, kind of nervous actually. What if they say no to everything or something? I don't know. I have no idea. So yeah, that will be it for this video. Bye bye.